Orman goes to the store. Okay? This is the little corner store that I go to. In case I find it interesting like this. Little cans of Pepsi. Things I have to remember is that in Estonia it's 10 times the price. So I have to move the decimal over so that's not $7 a can, it's 70 cents a can. Which is still a lot if you think about it. Now this is the alcoholic section, or the alcohol section. These are all the beers. Have a lot of little, they call them ciders, and they're basically just fruit juices with just a little bit, they're like spritzers. I have a bunch of those. I've not seen any Budweiser or Michelob or Saku is the main beer here. How do you pronounce this? A la coque. That's the main place that's been here. Even when the Russians here, they left a la coque alone. They're competing. Yeah, well, those are only two. And even this thing here that looks like Diet Fanta is actually that's one of the ones there again. So I usually get like a little cherry yogurt. Let's see. They're both $11.50. These for men, okay. So I guess I get the cherry. I do like the cherry. So I get the cherry. Here is the chip section. There's some different types of chips. For example, there's creamy farce mushroom, fromage, ketchup, chili and lime. Well, that sounds nice, and that's only $2 a bag. I've been having a problem with some of the chips, like like even the Cheetos. They don't seem to taste the same to me. It's a little different formula. I'm gonna chance it. That's okay. I'm gonna chance it. And no brand names that I'm aware of. What are we having for dinner, by the way? I'll probably just fried potatoes. Okay. Red Bull's $1.90 a can. Actually, how much is Red Bull when we get it? Interesting thing here is that my friend, if you want a bag, you have to pay for your bag. So if you when you go shopping, you either have to bring a bag with you, like a plastic bag with you, or you just carry all your stuff home. And that's my visit. Orman visits the store.